Okay, now we can go home. Follow me to see me leave this parking deck wahala. This multi-level parking deck. Let's see if we're gonna have any. The trickiest part is finding where to park, but now we just have to go. We didn't go all the way to the
head southeast
roof.
Toward Osborne Terrace.
So we are on the 3rd floor. We should be getting out of here in no time. Just have to follow the direction, the arrows pointing. You know, if you don't know about this parking deck thing, just look around. This whole complex is just for parking. This is multi-level parking. So I follow this thing that says exit, showing me to go forward. Just follow that. You know, I don't know how wide my camera can show you left and right of this huge place. Okay, so you see the arrow on the wall over there. I'm talking to the camera. See the arrow, all this says is pointing to the left. So I go left to exit. See? So it's already level 1 now. I don't think they have 2nd floor here. You just jump from 3 to 1. Which way are we going? All the way out there. I see the road, and I don't know what street that will lead me to. I got my GPS on, so right turn only. Okay, so this is the part we have to put in our tickets. Like if we didn't have it validated, then I'll have to shell out $5 now. But thank God they put this thing here. I do not have to pay. So let me put in my machine here. Kinsley, hold this camera to show what we're doing.
Turn left onto Osborne Terrace, then turn right onto Lyons Avenue.
So we'll be showing what I'm doing, right? Are you sure? Can you see? Alright. So where do I put the damn thing? Scan barcode. Oh, okay, it appears you're scanning the validation barcode. You first need to get the payment screen to scan them. You need to enter. This is new for me though. Welcome to, if you use your credit card certificate, please insert it now, or if you have printed ticket, please scan the ticket. Okay, your validation has been scanned. You're gonna show when it lets me out. It's gonna open that thing. What side? Welcome. I don't understand this shit.
At the light, turn right onto Lyons Avenue.
Scan your entry tickets now. Haven't I done that shit? Is there somebody behind us? Because this is taking a long time now. Scan barcode now. Payment screen, scan. Pause that thing. Hit the pause the thing. Alright, so the validation thing worked and it's opened the door for us. Wait, Kinsley, put this on. Yes. Showing something else. Huh?
That's it.
What? Okay, now it's fine. Okay, so we're good to go. Great. Technology. Now I gotta stop this video now though. Bye people.